Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2017 Mercedes-Benz G63. This SUV came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Excellent. I do not see any scratches or paint chips at all. So the front is in perfect condition. Let's take a look at the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, no scratches, no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the driver's side doors. The front and back door look good. I do not see any scratches on them at all. Let's take a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect, no scratches, no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's have a look at the back of the SUV. Okay, the trunk and spare tire are perfect. I do not see any scratches on the trunk. The spare tire does have a small scratch right here, very small, but the back bumper is perfect. I do see a little bit, some chips right here. I'm sorry about that. Not perfect, but everything looks good. Let's have a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel has just a scratch right there, right here. Sorry, missed that. The wheel has no curb rash at all. Now we're going to take a look at the passenger side doors. The front and back door here look perfect. I do not see any scratches on them at all. And now the last fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect, no scratches here, no dents, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look at the rest of the interior. We're going to start off with the driver's seat. Okay, perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. I do not see any wear and tear here at all. Let's move on to the back seat. Perfect. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to take a look at the passenger side. Okay, perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. I do not see any wear and tear here at all. Let's move on to the back seat. Perfect. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now we're going to take a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the radio. This car has navigation, also backup camera. Let's take a look at the center console and make sure that there's no wear and tear. Okay, that looks perfect. I'm not seeing any wear and tear at all in here. The radio, the AC buttons, and the shifter look good. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. Steering wheel looks really good as well. So the interior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to take a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.